Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening the VPN app. Sign in with your account, enable two-factor authentication if available, and accept permissions. Once done, select the connection protocol, OpenVPN or IKEv2, because protocol choice affects speed versus security. Make sure your mobile OS is up to date. Outdated builds can break VPN tunnels. Finally, pick a nearby server for better latency, or a specific country if you need a location-based IP. You now configure detailed settings. Import a OFBAN profile or use the provider's built-in configuration. Turn on kill switch and leak protection to prevent IP exposure if the tunnel drops. Choose a server based on what you need: low latency for video, a different country for content, and run a quick speed test. Slower servers break browsing. Make sure auto reconnect is enabled so the VPN reestablishes after sleep or network change, and then tap connect. You finish by verifying your new IP address and running a DNS leak check. This proves the tunnel carries DNS queries. If the VPN won't connect, restart the app, switch protocols from UDP to TCP or IKEv2, or pick another server. Sometimes a provider's node is overloaded. Make sure battery saver and aggressive background data restrictions are off. They commonly kill VPNs. If problems persist, reboot the device. Then contact provider support with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.